In the ever evolving world of digital marketing, businesses constantly seek tools that streamline operations and enhance engagement. Gohighlevel has emerged as a comprehensive solution for marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs looking to automate their processes, consolidate their tools, and scale their operations. This video provides a detailed overview of Gohighlevel, its key features, and why it's a game changer for those in the digital marketing space. Gohighlevel is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform designed specifically for agencies and small businesses. It offers a centralized hub for managing leads, automating workflows, and building effective marketing campaigns. Unlike many platforms that require multiple integrations to function cohesively, Gohighlevel provides a unified system, reducing complexity and saving time. Whether you're looking to build sales funnels, create automated follow-ups, or manage client relationships, Gohighlevel delivers tools to meet your needs. Its versatility and cost effectiveness have made it a favorite among digital marketers and agencies seeking a competitive edge. So for the key features of Gohighlevel, first key feature is the funnel and landing page builder. It enables users to create high converting sales funnels, landing pages, and websites with drag and drop functionality. This simplifies the process of creating visually appealing pages without requiring coding expertise, increasing lead generation and sales. Another key feature is the CRM and pipeline management. It offers a robust CRM system to track leads, manage pipelines, and monitor client interactions in real time. This improves organization and helps teams focus on nurturing high priority leads, ultimately boosting conversion rates. Another key feature is the email, SMS, and voice automation. It automates communication channels through email campaigns, text messages, and even voice drops to engage leads at the right time. This saves time while maintaining consistent communication with clients, improving engagement and retention. Another key feature is the appointment scheduling. It includes an integrated calendar system to manage appointments and sync with other calendars, such as Google Calendar. This streamlines scheduling processes and reduces the risk of double bookings, enhancing client satisfaction. Another key feature is the reputation management. It allows businesses to manage online reviews, solicit feedback, and respond to customer reviews from one platform. This helps build trust and credibility by improving and monitoring a company's online reputation. Another key feature is the white label solutions. Agencies can rebrand the platform as their own and offer it to clients under a custom label. This creates a unique value proposition for agencies, allowing them to increase revenue streams and build stronger client relationships. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. Provides detailed insights into campaign performance, lead conversions, and overall marketing effectiveness. This enables data-driven decisions, helping businesses refine strategies for better results. And another feature is the integrations. So it seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Stripe, Shopify, and social media platforms for payment processing and marketing. This enhances functionality without needing additional software providing a cohesive user experience. So, why is Go High Level a great choice? Go High Level is more than just a CRM or a funnel builder. It's an end to end solution for businesses aiming to optimize their marketing and client management processes. Its comprehensive feature set eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions to various tools, making it both cost effective and efficient. Moreover, Go High Level's focus on automation allows users to minimize manual tasks, freeing up time to focus on growth strategies. For agencies, the ability to white label the platform offers a unique advantage, enabling them to provide branded solutions to their clients. Basically, in conclusion, Go High Level is a transformative tool for digital marketers, agencies, and small businesses. Its all in one nature simplifies marketing, automates workflows, and enhances client management. By integrating powerful features like funnel building, reputation management, and automation, Go High Level stands out as a comprehensive and versatile platform. Whether you're just starting in the digital market world or looking to scale your existing operations, Go High Level is a smart investment. Its user friendly interface, customizable tools, and robust automation capabilities make it a must have for businesses looking to thrive in 2024 and beyond. So, if you need more information about Go High Level, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a long article where they show all of their features, the benefits that your business can get through them. As you can see right here, you can capture new leads, nurture leads into customers. So this is basically the cycle of how you can use Go High Level. They also have this fully automated booking, can create membership areas, close more deals. Basically, these are all the features that you can do in Go High Level. And as you can see, we have these features right here. It replaces other tools. So basically, this is the tables that they compare themselves to. So yeah, so as you can see right here, we also have the subscription plans and features with all of the features right here. So if you're planning to avail a subscription plan from Go High Level, make sure to read all of the features and make sure to avail the plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.